Hey guys, this is Derek Stone here from SR&RTV. We are fixing to go in and do some baseboard trim. One of the big things that I want to show you guys when you go in to do a big room, or just a small room where you're cutting in, is where you walk in and you measure the room. What you do is, I just take a little notepad like this, and I tape measure and pencil in, and I go in and I draw the room, how I need to do it. And then I'll mark all my measurements down. That way I can take all my measurements, go to the saw with the material at one time, make all my cuts, and then put it into the house. And then I can trim it and just piece it all together like a puzzle. So if you guys will follow me, we'll go in and take a look at it. Okay, so as you can see right here, the baseboard is cut out, or we started going in right here. Excuse the dogs. So we're going to go around here as well, and wrap it around, and we're going to tie it back in the piece over here, as well as wrapping around this doorway and tying in here. Now we don't have to put any casing or anything on this door because it's going to get a barn door. So we don't have to worry about casing this or anything. So, alright, I'm going to do that and then we'll go outside of the saw. Okay, so basically what I want to show you is that we've taken the room, what we're doing inside there. We've drawn the room, and then we've made all our measurements on each piece. And because you've drawn the room, you know what angles you've got to cut. Now I know a lot of guys will put they'll just do like 49 over here, and then they'll draw like a circle or a greater than sign or a straight line. I've seen guys do that, but this one just makes it make sense in my head because I'm actually drawing the picture out and I know what turns I got to make. So that's just something for you guys out there that are learning how to do trim and baseboard. This is just a really cool trick to do and to use. So we're going to get cutting, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like when we install it. Thanks. So that is why I love these two tools. This one tool here took about 2 hours off my day every time I go do shoe mold. And then the Ryobi battery powered nail gun. You just can't go without it if you're trying to get something done real quick. So hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, share it. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there too.